Hey guys, it's me, Audrey. I told you I'd be back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you, it's an unboxing, guys. I've been waiting on this to arrive. I'm so excited. So if you like things about handbags, then stick around, like and subscribe. You're going to want to see this. I'm so excited. So I ordered a custom bag from designer Lade, like the name Sade, Lade, L-A-D-E. Lade was once an architectural designer. She left that, stepped out on faith to start her own business because she has a passion for crocheting and designing different things. And so she crochets tops, dresses, handbags. She's most known for her crochet handbags on Instagram, and that's how I learned about her. And I was blown away when I saw all of the different things that she created. So now's the time to order from her. Definitely check out her website, Crochet by Lade. And she's also on YouTube, and sometimes she even shares tutorials. So if you want to learn how to crochet, she has some videos on her channel talking about that. So here's the package. It has come all the way from Lagos, Nigeria. I am so excited. Yay! Okay, so let me get some scissors so we can open this up. I'll be right back. Okay guys, about to open this up. Now the box has had a little bit of damage. I can feel that, and that's understandable with it coming all the way from around the world, all the way around the world. Oh my goodness. All right. Aww. Let's see here. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut the string. Hooked by Lade. There you go. Hooked by Lade. And you can see she's on these platforms under that same name, Hooked by Lade. And that's her website. All right. So nice. And it says handmade with love. And oh, she's so sweet. She even wrote a nice little note. It's not focusing right now. It says, "Happy birthday, Audrey. I hope this day brings you more happiness and joy than you can ever imagine. Thank you for your support. With all my love, Lade." All right, guys, so you saw I opened up the box. The box took a little bit of a beating, but the bag is intact. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. This is the beauty, guys. Oh my goodness. I love it. Lade, I love it. Look at it. It's made out of a faux leather yarn, and it is just this awesome texture. Oh my goodness, it is just to live for. And it has these removable charms. It has the pearls on it. And pearl is actually my birthstone, June 8th, as my first and middle initial, because you could choose 2 initials to put on the bag. So I chose my first and middle. So A.M. Audrey Marie, made in Nigeria. Oh, I love it. And here it says Hooked by Lade. Hooked by Lade. Oh, and it has the chain, and then also here it has the tag, and it says thank you on the back for your purchase. Your purchase helps to bring my dream to life. I hope you love it as much as I enjoyed making it. Handmade with love. OMG. I absolutely do love it. And it has a zip opening here, so you can see there. And it has a nice lining interior. It has the little hearts and stuff on the inside. It's a black interior, but it also has the hearts. It has a slip pocket. Well, actually 2 slip pockets on this side, and then also a slip pocket on that side as well. And is quite substantial and heavy. And you can also remove these charms. So if you don't want to have the chain on it, it has a little ring right here where you can push it in and actually remove it, and you could change it out and put other little charms on it. Oh, you know I've got to style this, so stick around. I'm going to style this beauty. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I love it. I absolutely love it. The style tote bag that I received is the Lade tote bag in a size medium. The dimensions on this bag is 15 inches by 7 inches by 3.5 inches. This bag is made out of premium quality leather yarn, which is a faux leather yarn. It has a proper lining on the inside that has 2 slip pockets on one side and another slip pocket on the other. You can get the hardware in silver as well, and it's just very well made. So here you see me styling the bag with the gold chain attached with the asymmetrical red jumpsuit and some black sandals that also have gold chain detailing, which I think pair very well with the bag. So this is a kind of dressed up look for the bag, and I just think it's so elegant. It elevates any look. It's very, very cute. So this is look number 1 for a kind of dressy casual look. So here's a second styling of the bag with the gold chain removed, and I paired it with a pair of black jeans and a chambray top and some wedge sandals. And like I say, this is a more casual look, and what I love about this bag, you could completely remove the chain and the charms if you just wanted to go for an all black bag with no added bling to it. So you have that option as well, or you can change out the accessories altogether, add a wooden chain to it, you name it. The options are endless. So now I'm going to show you what fits inside, and the bag does have a little bit of weight to it. I haven't weighed the bag, but I'm sure it's probably over a pound without anything in it, and then once you add things in, it's probably going to be like 1.5 pounds or so. So it does have weight to it. I have a carry-all pouch on the inside, and then I have a full-size wallet, so it can hold a lot. I have a compactable umbrella. It's been raining so much here in Georgia, lots of thunderstorms. On the side pocket here, I have a card case, and then on the opposite side pockets, I have a mirror, and I also have another business card case and an ink pen. And now it's a little bit lighter, but still has that weight to it. And this is what it looks like on the bottom. Just an extremely well-made bag. So this is the bag by Lade. Absolutely love it. Definitely check her Instagram page out, Hooked by Lade. I just absolutely love this bag. It has a lot of weight to it. So if you don't like a heavy bag, then you might want to purchase one of her smaller bags, because this one does have a lot of weight to it. And like I said, I love that you can remove the charms. You can remove this chain for a more subtle look. If you just want an all black bag, you can take those off. Let me go ahead and do that for you now while the video is still going. I'll just take this off completely. It's just some circular loops. All right, so I've removed the chain and I'm keeping the charm on, and this is how it looks without the chain and just the little charms on there. Absolutely gorgeous bag, and this is the leather yarn is what it's called, leather yarn. You can definitely go on her Instagram page or her actual web page, and you can see the different styles that she has. She has a link on her Instagram in the bio part. So this is my birthday gift to me, a hand crochet bag by Lade, all the way from Nigeria, even with my stamping and everything on it. So definitely check her out, guys. I love it, and I love you guys too. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because he loves us so much. And I'll see you next time. I have more videos coming. Bye.